KR Kroger. Y'all shop at Kroger. Kroger on the five hour. So it's gone up and now it's retraced. So we gonna watch. Oh yeah. Kroger is not bad. It is not bad. Price action wise, look, it is not bad. It's doing exactly what it needs to do. Look at these pivot points, right? Right here. There's one. This was this was a resistance, right? It was a resistance. It was a resistance again here. It was a resistance again here, right? Then there was resistance here again, and then the market blew through it and now is back to that zone. This is a beautiful one. I'm not even gonna front. Does that make sense? It's right where we need it. Like this is how you want to trade. It's right where we need it. The only thing I don't like is earnings is around the corner and earnings can basically mess up everything, right? But the price action wise is in the right zone. Exactly where you want to be buying at. So Kroger, let's look how they've been looking previous quarters. They missed here. It went up. Let's see. They beat here, popped. What is this? Kroger. Okay. I don't like the Anchors KR Kroger. Kroger is not bad. It is not bad. Price action looks good. Fundamentals, let's see. Only because it's earnings. Only because it's earnings. Oh. Only because it's earnings. So 132 billion. Then they went up to 137, 148, 150. Okay. 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 Total, that's total revenue. Net income 2.5, 1.6, 2.2. Okay, they making money. Let's look at it quarterly, 45, 33, 33, 37. Yeah, we gonna keep Kroger. Looks like Kroger gonna do something. So we got Kroger. Then there's this one, DRI, Darden Restaurants. Darden Restaurant. See, it's in our zone. When it's in the zone like this, it is what it is. You know, it's right in the zone. We could have gotten in earlier, right? But it's still in the zone. If it pops, it will be a nice one. If this breaks, you see where the thing says target? If it breaks, that's where we headed in that vicinity or maybe around here, right? So DRI, let's see, last quarter, they missed earnings, it dropped, previous, missed. Ooh, over here, beat, it popped. DRI, so many damn companies in America. and they're all making money, billions of dollars. Let's look. We just need one of these earnings play, just one. So we doing the homework to see which one has the potential. Okay, net income. They were losing money. They were losing 52 million. Then they made 629 million, then 952 million, then 981 million, right? Which is good annually. So they moving in the right direction. Whatever they doing is working. Quarterly 2.7, 2.7. Wait, what am I looking at? 2.1, 2.1, 2.1, 2.3. Okay. So let's keep that one in the chamber. Price action looks good. Fundamentals look good. Okay, what else we got? What